Hi, welcome. Tell me, how do you see Power to the Cloud establishing Schneider as a serious smart city and Internet of Things player in the region and in Dubai, of course?
We are Schneider playing a big role in the IT/OT world. I, of course, can speak about the IT/OT world of the energy business, but any of the offers, any of the business units are capable and are able to connect to others. And this is where we are bringing the value to our customers. I would say that I would like to highlight maybe three things. The number one is about the infrastructure of the energy, and of course, this is something that most probably you are going to ask me about, which is the IT/OT and the big disruption that we are having in the energy world. But this is not the only thing. I think that we have also a massive revolution going on between the low voltage and the medium voltage part. Actually, we are going to launch a new offer. It's going to be next week, the new MTZ offer, which is the new breaker in Schneider, the new air circuit breaker in Schneider, which is completely connected, totally connected, and which is completely matching actually with the offers and the smart devices that we can have in other BUs, like in energy BUs. So the world of the connection is connecting the smart devices together to bring more value to our customers. And our customers have to go today. They are moving from the let's say mechanical, electromechanical, let's say electronic world, but now they are to connected devices. And the real game and the real winning operation and the winning challenge that Schneider has today is to make those devices connected together in a transparent way, in an open protocol way, number one. And second point is to bring the layer of software, SCADA system, and let's say operational softwares, but also enterprise software, how we connect those environments coming from different providers, coming from different ages. It can be 10 years ago, 20 years ago, or last week. How can we bring all those devices, smart devices, softwares together in order to bring a comprehensive understanding of the digital world of our customers? It's a very big, let's say, achievement that we have here. So we have the electrical distribution application. I talked to you, of course, of the grid application. A third point is about the data center that is today also it's an important part of the event today. And we have the chance to have Dave and a big part of the central team of ITB here present in the area. Why? Because at the end of the day, we are very advanced, number one, and we have a lot of connected and plug and play solution to bring to our customers. Now you ask me a question, why here? Because this is a region where people are willing to jump from one generation to 3 generations or 2 generations. They are technological addicted. They want new technology. They want the up-to-date technologies. And I think that we are here to bring them these up-to-date technologies. And by putting those digital technology on board, they will jump 1, 2, 3 generations of, let's say, whatever you call, utilities, data center, and they will be absolutely leading the pack in terms of technology. They have the willingness. They are technological addicted. And I think that this is a very good place to develop the business and to develop also our technologies with this kind of customer that are, let's say, very flexible, very open to new technologies and very keen to develop those technologies together with their provider and their supplier, which is Schneider.
Very exciting and so much going on. You touched on grids earlier, and I wanted to ask you, how do you think grids are shaping up in terms of efficiency in this part of the world?
So the grids are, it's a long story, meaning that it's a long story of the grids that have been investing since long in the digital connected devices. I mean, this is one of the points that we have to understand. It's not coming like from overnight, then something is happening. They have invested since let's say 10 years in smart devices inside the grid. They have put in place secondary of what we call feeder automation. They have put in place substation automation. They have put in place also some parts of the advanced DMS and the SCADA system. So I would say they are ready to make the, let's say, the next step, which is moving on the real digital grid approach. And I think that I was actually, 1 hour ago with the CEO and managing director of DEWA, and His Excellency Saïd Al Tayer was telling me that any offer that we are putting now on the network has to be digital ready. It's good because Schneider is today providing digital ready offers, and those digital ready offers are capable to be connected in a transparent way, in an open protocol to any kind of network and any kind of software. So you see things evolving, in this area, in this part of the world, and I think that there is a good alignment of the stars. There are good, I would say global combination that in fact is making things like they have the money, they have the budget, they have to go for this one. They are really keen to go for green energy. They want to go for renewable. Actually, they are investing 800 megawatt solar plant this year, which is huge. And so they have the money, they have the will, they want our technology, and they are technology addicted. So frankly speaking, it's very, very favorable combination to develop our business in the area, not only here in UAE, but in all the area. I am also talking of Saudi, I'm talking of other countries, other part of this region that are really willing to go and move fast in order to go fast in the digital world. You know, I'm comparing sometimes the digital world of the grid with the mobile phone. I will not say that Africa, for example, has been I think Africa is very late in terms of landlines, in terms of phone. But today Africa is leading the pack in terms of mobile phone. They jump 1 or 2 generations with the digital approach. So exactly the same that is going to happen on the grid. It's going to be very fast, and we need to be here to provide those technologies and connect those technologies together with softwares.
Brilliant. Can you tell us a little bit more about innovation in 3D in the energy world?
So the energy 3D's disruption, in fact, they are the 3 disruption, which is decarbonization, going for more renewable energy. It's decentralization, which is much more from top-down, generation to consumer to everywhere. Every, consumer can be a producer, and then he became a prosumer, which is a way of looking at things, which is decentralization. And the third D is about The third D is about the digitalization. So decarbonization, decentralization, and digitization, which is again, I'm not going to be back on what I was saying before, which is a massive, billions of smart devices connected together. It's exponentially growing during the last 10 years, those devices talking to other devices. But at the end of the day, it's not only devices talking to other devices. It's people talking to people. It's business is not, I used to say, well, are you in B2B or B2C? We are in people-to-people business, okay? At the end of the day, we have to help people connect themselves to others and make their life more easy. At the end of the day, these 3 disruption, again, decarbonization, decentralization, and digitization, we in Schneider, we have the solution, we have the remedies. And these remedies are the grid efficiency, the grid edge, and the demand management, the demand side management. Grid efficiency, it's everything about automation, smart device, SCADA system, advanced DMS, etc., etc. We are here, and we have invested since 10 years in that field. We are now ready to connect all those bricks that we have brought from outside. Actually, mainly have been brought from outside, some from inside, but mainly from outside. And I am including actually the launch of the MTZ launch of next week with the low voltage, let's say, core circuit breaker of the low voltage generation and the low voltage ranges that is going to be launched. This breaker is digital ready, is already ready to be connected on the grid. Everything we do is thought with this grid efficiency approach. Number one, grid efficiency. Grid edge is how do we connect all those, decentralized generation from renewable, wind, any kind of decentralized or microgrid to the grid or inside their microgrid. Here again, we have a lot to bring as solution. Again, in hardware, of course, substation, PV box, etc., but also smart devices and also softwares. And the last point is about demand management. Two things, we think about residential, we have solution, for example, with Wiser. We think about commercial industrial building where we have also solutions. And again, it's mainly at the part of the low voltage side where we can leverage the demand side management, which is how do we shade, how do we manage better, how do we make this more efficient in terms of demand. And then, of course, we have the industrial side, which is how can we shade the loads of big electro-intensive customers. We know their process, we know their automation, and we can do that in an automated way. All of those three bricks are, of course, embedded with one concept, which is cybersecurity. I am insisting on that one. It's a reality, it happens, and it happened actually last year in let's say, Eastern Europe country in December. 280,000 people in dark due to cyber attack. It is now really happening. We have to be just, let's say, realistic on this one, just open eyes on the fact that this is not, fiction, this is reality. And of course, all of this has to be cyber secure. We have invested in cyber security in our development. It's not, again, we don't wake up the morning and say, okay, this morning I'm going to be cyber secure. We have developed since now 4 years cyber security concept. We have been qualified with the European standard. It's something which is a key for us. And actually, we have big experts in Schneider called ex-Invensys, process automation. Their word is cybersecurity. I can tell you they are professional in that one, and we can learn a lot, and we can collaborate and leverage a lot between their competency and the rest of the group. So a lot of things to be done.
A lot, and very exciting. Thank you so much for talking to us, and good luck with your launch, and good luck with the event. Enjoy it.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye.